When it comes to growing crops and gardening, we hear no-till this, no-till that. Why do we care? So here's the deal. All plants, perennials and annuals alike, have roots, and those roots are surrounded by mycorrhizae, microbes, and a whole host of other microorganisms. These things form protective barriers that surround the root fibers. They help to uptake nutrients and assist in hydration. Basically, they're really good for the plant. And if every single plant has millions, that creates this huge web or network of mycorrhizae and microbes within the soil. These things are still existent within the soil, whether or not the plant has died or is just dormant. Here's the problem. When tilling comes into play, it breaks up that web of interaction between mycorrhizae, microbes, protozoa, and all of those other really good beneficial things, and it flips it upside down and drops it back on top of the top layer of the topsoil. When that happens, all of that beneficial good stuff is then exposed to oxygen, sunlight, lack of water, carbon that was absorbed is released, and all of those good microbes begin to die off. So if we can keep the soil intact, we can keep the good stuff intact.